There, we're back with preparing for algebra. We're still in chapter 3. We're in section 5, first page. We're talking about primes and composite numbers. Okay, prime numbers have two factors: the number itself and 1. Okay, and that's it. Those are prime numbers. The table below lists all the prime numbers up to 31. The number 2 is the only even prime. Okay, and you need to answer these questions below. Do you notice a pattern in the factor column? Right? What is it? What are always the two factors of a prime number? I just answered that for you. So write it in there so you actually just memorize it. And now, using the pattern you found above, determine if 1 is a prime number. Right? Is that true or not? Very good. We'll go on to page 113. All right, let's go. Page 113. These are composite numbers. Composite numbers have multiple factors. It's just kind of the opposite of a prime, where they only have 2. More than 2 factors are called composite numbers, and here's a table of them up to 30. So notice how each of these numbers has more than 2 factors, right? See that. Excellent. So let's go on to page 114. Page 114. This is kind of a test whether you understand what a prime or a composite is. All you want to do is list whether they are prime or a composite number, and please list all the factors. And what's your strategy here for the factors? You want to think about that. And did you get all the factors? All right, and then if there's more than 2 factors, you know it's a composite. Okay. Oh, did I tell you that the answers are in the back of the book? All of them. So you can look them up if you want. Page 115 has the same problems where you want to figure out if they're prime or composite, right? And the numbers here are very helpful, so do this for the next problem, which is a word problem. Now, Skipper is building a new rabbit pen with no dimensions greater than 18 feet. So the length or width cannot be greater than 18 feet. That'll give you the exact dimension, right? But it's not 18, so we have to figure it out. His rabbits need a floor space of 102 square feet. So what is the length and the width the pen could have, right? How do you solve this? I think we're going to solve this with factors, right? And the factors of 102 be 1 times 102 is 102, 2 times 51 is 102, the next number up 3 times 34 is 102, and then the last factors of it are 6 times 17, which works because 17, it can't be any greater than 18. So his pen is 6 feet by 17 feet long. So these rabbits have a nice big pen. It's great. Excellent. We're almost done with chapter 3. Page 116, prime factors using a factor tree. I love factor trees. I'm actually not sure why, but it's just a very organized way of finding prime factors of numbers. So 40 breaks down to 2 factors, 4 and 10. We're going to use those, they're simplest. 4 breaks down into 2 and 2, and 10 breaks down into 2 times 5, leaving us with the factors 2, 2, 2, and 5. I'll go ahead and let you fill out the 2 factor trees below, and we will get prepped up for chapter 4. I'll see you soon. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit the bell so you get updates when these come out, and obviously buy a book if you haven't on Amazon. Preparing for Algebra. My name is Susan. My last name's Everingham. All right, take care. See you in the next pages.